Welcome back to my channel, and today in my video I will discuss regarding the multi-hash algorithm in the big data analytics for the frequent item set mining. So in my previous two videos I have covered the PCY algorithm, the Park-Chen-Yu algorithm and the multi-stage algorithm. So in this we will talk about the multi-hash algorithm. So what this is basically is the multiple number of hash. So these hash functions are contained in only one pass, and so only two passes are required for solving this problem. So it's very simple. So this can be thought of that a variation to the PCY algorithm that you have seen in the previous video of mine. So that's just a simple concept. So in this we have also the main memory map, so which have the items count as for most of the other algorithms, and we have the first hash table and the second hash table we efficiently stored in the main memory for the space reduction purpose, and that we successfully map to a bitmap vector 1 and second hash table to a bitmap vector 2 in the pass 2, and we have the count of candidate pairs and the frequent items like in the previous algorithms like the multi-stage and the PCY algorithm. So this is the best possible algorithm out of this for the frequent item set mining, since it has all the hash tables and the hash functions in one single main memory map, and therefore it does not require any other stages or other filters to map it into the table. So this internally will solve the problem of the false drops and false positives, and so there is no need for any other secondary pass or any other algorithms basically necessary for this. So this is, like I have told you, it's a variation of the PCY algorithm, that is a multi-stage algorithm. Multi-hash algorithm, and two hash functions and two separate tables for them. That is, since we use the two tables, that is hash tables, we have the two separate hash functions for this. So after we have the hash functions, we will contain the hash functions in that. Hash table and hash functions both are kept in the main memory that we have seen in the PCY algorithm. In that we had only one hash function or one hash table, and for the second pass it is same for the other algorithms, and for multi-hash also it remains the same. That is, each hash table is converted to a bitmap vector as usual, and we have the count of candidate pairs as well as the frequent items. So this is a simple algorithm, that is a multi-hash algorithm. So these are the three algorithms, that is a PCY algorithm, multi-stage algorithm and the multi-hash algorithm in big data analytics for the frequent item set mining. So this topic we cover here. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.